Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know you guys if you remember this palette from Kat Von D. I have this palette like I don't know, and this one was the serpent. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette today. I haven't used this for a while, so today I am going to go into this eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use from this color. It's an old eyeshadow palette, but it was, to me, when I bought it, I have it like of a souvenir. I have them like of a souvenir. I have some really high-end palette that I keep as a souvenir, whether I'm using them or not. So this is one of the old time Kat Von D palettes. So I am going to use today from this color. I'm gonna go in with this color here, this one, this darkest shade, and I'm gonna apply it over my lid here. And I remember when I usually go and bought Kat Von D eyeshadow palette and foundation, I always love her product. I always love, I don't know if she's still doing her line, but I always love her product. And this is how I'm take my time to blend this black and gold color because it is really dark, and with the Halloween come up, I want to do like a dark eye look for it. So, and I'm just taking my time, make sure I go over it here because I don't want it to mess up. When you're doing a black color, a dark color on your eyes, sorry, a dark color on your eyes, you have to take your time to make sure that you do it properly on the eyes. You cannot do it on a rush, because then if you try to do it on a rush, then you're gonna mess up. So you take your time and you apply it to your eyes, and you can see how much I am taking my time here to apply this color. And I'm using one of those Wet n Wild brushed from a longer time also on the eyes. So I'm taking my times and I'm just taking it to my crease here for me to do another shade over it. I'm gonna add this shade here over here, this goldish shade over here, or I can add another shade. So first, let me put this one here, the goldish shade, and see, it's look a little bit also dark. So I'm just gonna add the goldish shade over it here. And you know guys, because I have these eyeshadow for so long, I thought they would work worse than this, but they're not. They're really working really good on the eyes. Yeah, they're working so good on the eyes. And I'm taking up a little bit of the darker shade back, and I'm applying it right in out of the outer corner here. And then I need to blend this, because if you don't, it so surprised me that this gold though really picked up on the brush really dark. When you pick it up, you can see it picked up on the brush a little bit darker, a little bit dark. You don't have to be perfect to do an eye look. You just take your time, apply the color to your eyes. Take your time, color like this, you pat it. I am trying to, because I already do my foundation and I don't want to get followed from this. So I am going to use the same brush here that I used before, and I'm going to add back some color, darker color to my corner here and blend it in the crease also to get back that color there. And I'm going to make sure that I do blend it back in the crease. Here. This dark shade here has a little bit of goldish also in it, so what I'm going to do right now, I am going to get some of this color here, and you know, I'm gonna also add some of this under on my lip also. So I'm gonna bring it over to this color here, the darker color, and blend it in to take away the harsh line. And because it's Halloween, I'm trying here, you guys, to blend my color in pretty good. And this is what I am working with. And as I said, I'm using this palette today because the Halloween is around the corner. If it don't gone as yet. I'm not a Halloween person, but I remember years ago I would do a Halloween look. Now I don't really rush for that anymore. I'm also gonna put a little bit of this on my lip. A little bit of this dark red. So I can have more of a redder lip. So I am really loving this so far, you guys. Really loving this color so far. So I still going to go back into this red color and just apply some more over here. And I'm gonna go back in this dark shade also and do apply some more of the dark shade here. And then I'm going to blend it, because you have to blend it. If you don't, and then I'm gonna go back into this goldish color and make sure that I add some more gold to the eyes. And then I'm gonna blend everything. Just gonna this dark color really like stand out. I think I need some more red to sort of lighten it a little bit more and make sure that it doesn't really that dark. Yeah, make sure that it doesn't really that dark. So I need some dark color also from the eyeshadow, from this one here, this here, and just catch it under my eyes here. Concealer right here, and I'm also going to put some of the concealer right here also. And this is the L concealer I'm using, you guys. So if I use the concealer, it lifts, give my eyes that lift. Yeah, so it will give me that lift at my eyes, the outer corner of my eyes. And that's why I like to use concealer at this part of my eye, so I can have that lift. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this eyeliner here. Let's see if it's working. Okay, it does work. And just use it to So guys, I am back. So I am trying this out for my Halloween eye look. I did change the lip color. I did put my red here, but then I changed it to this color here. So you can use an eyeshadow on your lip if you're looking for that really nice lip. So this is from this palette, Kat Von D Serpent. And this is my Halloween look. So let's show you what I used today in this palette. So I did went in with this color first, which is really of a dark shade, and then I go in with this gold also, and then I went in with this red. So 1, 2, 3. This is what I use. I also use it here underneath my eyes, and I use this color first on my lid, and then I go over with the gold, so that's why it look like dark, black and gold. And then I also use this on my lip, you guys, this dark color. All I did was just apply it to my lip because I don't have a black lipstick. Voila. Happy Halloween, you guys. See you in my next upload. Bye for now.